It's not just America's sports car anymore, it's a global performance icon. The 2026 Chevrolet Corvette C8 keeps evolving, and this year's model proves Chevy isn't done turning heads or chasing lap times. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're diving into the latest version of the C8 and what makes it one of the best bang-for-your-buck performance cars on the road. Design. At first glance, the 2026 C8 looks familiar, but take a closer look. Chevy's refined the front and rear fascias for improved airflow and a slightly more aggressive stance. New wheel designs and updated lighting give it a sharper, more modern look without losing that signature exotic presence. It still turns heads like a six-figure supercar, but with a price tag that's a lot more accessible. Performance. Under the rear hatch, you're still getting that glorious naturally aspirated 6.2 LLT2 V8, now pushing out a bit more power thanks to minor tuning updates, up to 505 horsepower in the standard Z51 package. 0 to 60? Still under 3 seconds with launch control. Paired with the lightning-fast 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, the C8 delivers instant response and track-worthy performance that's shockingly usable on the street. Features and technology. Inside, it's all driver-focused. The cockpit wraps around you, with a 12-inch digital display, performance data recorder, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. Magnetic ride control remains one of the best suspension systems out there, and the updated drive modes offer more precise control over how the car behaves in any setting, from daily cruising to weekend track days. Conclusion. The 2026 C8 Corvette isn't just evolving, it's maturing. It balances supercar performance, high-end tech, and everyday usability in a way few cars can. If you're loving the direction Chevy's going, let us know, drop a comment below and tell us what you'd spec on your dream C8. And if you enjoyed the review, hit like, share it with a fellow car fan, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more smart, honest looks at the latest performance machines. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.